In this video, I'll show you how you can change the fan speed of any graphics card. Now you want to go to Google and search for MSI Afterburner, choose the msi.com website and just click on the download button right here. Now once you do that, you'll get the Afterburner setup and you're just going to open this folder and run the exe file. Now what this will do is it will install this Afterburner right here, and what we want to do is you can either change the fan speed down here, or if you go to settings, user interface, change it to this skin right here, MSI Cyborg Afterburner skin, red, apply and OK. In here you should see a fan speed right here at the bottom. Now you can turn this up as much as you want, and then what you want to do is you want to click on this button, which will basically do whenever you start your PC, it's going to keep the fan speed at whatever you put it at. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's really simple. Just choose what you want the fan speed percentage to be at. Click on this button so it's going to go on startup, and that's how you do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.